Oppo is reportedly gearing up to launch its next-generation foldable flip phone, the Find N3 Flip, on August 29th. The phone has been the subject of leaks and rumors in recent weeks, and it is expected to be a significant upgrade over the Find N2 Flip, which was released in December 2022. According to the leaks, the Find N3 Flip will feature a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The inner display will be slightly smaller than the Find N2 Flip's 6.7-inch display, but it is expected to have a higher resolution. The phone is also expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor and have up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. In terms of cameras, the Find N3 Flip is rumored to have a triple-lens rear camera system consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 13MP telephoto sensor. The phone is also expected to have a 32MP front-facing camera. The Find N3 Flip is expected to run Android 13 out of the box and have a 4,500 mAh battery. It is also rumored to have support for 80W fast charging. The Find N3 Flip is expected to be priced around $1,000, which is slightly more expensive than the Find N2 Flip. The phone is expected to be available in China first, and it is unclear when it will be released in other markets. Here are some of the key features of the Oppo Find N3 Flip. 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor. Up to 12 GB of RAM. Up to 512 GB of storage. Triple lens rear camera system, 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, 13MP telephoto. 32MP front-facing camera. Android 13. 4,500 mAh battery. 80W fast charging. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is a significant upgrade over the Find N2 Flip, and it is expected to be a competitive foldable flip phone in the market. The phone has a powerful processor, a large display, and a versatile camera system. It is also expected to be reasonably priced, making it a good option for consumers who are looking for a foldable phone.